Most trucks come with an open bed. While these are designed to withstand a lot of use, protecting your truck bed with any one of the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers is a great idea. Sometimes you need to leave equipment in your truck overnight. Covering them up saves them from the weather. It also stops prying eyes or pilferers from tampering with your property. Also, in transit, a tonneau cover plays the same role of protecting your luggage. Offering your truck some protection too, it will help to extend the good looks of your truck. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best roll-up tonneau covers. So let's get started. Number 5. American Tonneau 66110 Black Tonneau Cover. Coming in a tri-fold design, the American Tonneau fits all 5.8 foot, 6.5 foot, and 8 foot truck beds. Its installation is pretty easy as it comes pre-assembled and just requires you to fix it in place. No drilling is required, and with a pictorial guide, you will achieve a great install in minutes. It is made from all-weather resistant materials and fits snugly, but is slightly expandable and contractible to allow for temperature adjustments, so you'll get all your protection for your precious cargo. Stylish looking, it makes a fine complement to any truck. Plus, you can only open this tonneau cover when you open your tailgate, so you can be assured that no one can access your truck bed but you. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Tonneau Pro Tonneau Fold 42-200 Cover. The Tonneau Fold Premium Vinyl Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover is a 6-foot, 4-inch fit for the Dodge/Ram 1500 and the Dodge/Ram 2500/3500. While it does not fit on Dodge/Ram trucks with the Rambox cargo management system, it fits snugly on other truck beds that have 6 foot 4 inches dimensions. 10-minute tops is its installation time as it comes completely assembled. And no drilling required, and its manual guides you on the straightforward installation. When folded fully open, you can use the snap clip style fastening system provided to safely lock it in place. Made from superior quality materials, it also has a nice looking and dependable finish. It features double-sided tear-resistant marine-grade vinyl. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Extang Encore Cover. The Extang Encore Tonneau is a 6.5-foot truck bed cover for the Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra 1500, 2014-18. Also extending its use to a few other truck models, it also comes in 5.8-foot and 8-foot bed sizes. Opening like a folding cooler top, this cover offers you the flexibility of accessing your truck bed from both its front and rear panels. Quick and easy installation, and on completion, you get to lock the cover with its bolt lock and key technology. With this tech, you open and unlock your bed cover with your truck key. Able to support over 500 pounds of weight, this product is very hardy. Its secret is the dent and scratch resistant automotive thermoplastic panel used in its manufacture. This also makes it remain cool even in hot weather, and it does not fade in the sun. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Trusito TruSport Tonneau Cover. Soft and sleek, and with a limited 5-year warranty, the Trusito TruSport has a lot to offer. A perfect fit for the Ram truck, but if your truck has a 6-foot, 4-inch bed, then this is also for you. The TruSport provides you ultimate bed protection and ease of installation and use. This is because it requires no drilling or cutting. It instead utilizes a clamp system around your truck's box rail. Manufactured with expandable and contractible materials for weather changes and extremes, this industrial strength cover uses a number of Velcro closures along the top rails that, along with loop and hook fasteners at the tailgate and a manual tension control system, keep your truck bed well guarded. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Lund 96893 Genesis Tonneau Cover. Compatible for use with the Silverado and Sierra 1500, 2500 HD, 3500 HD, 2007 to 2021, the Lund 96893 Genesis works just fine with any truck that has a 6.5-foot bed. This truck bed requires no drilling in its installation and comes with a handy guide to help you through it. Featuring an integrated strap and buckle, you can also use this cover in the open position. While the Lund 96893 Genesis cover is breathable and allows water to drain off its edges, its HAARTZ twill fabric is mold, mildew, and UV resistant. Even tiny details like its front and rear rubber seals are designed to prevent dust and moisture getting in your truck bed. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best roll-up tonneau covers just for you.